everyone, we're going to prove that the derivative of inverse secant of x with respect to x equals 1 divided by x times the square root of x squared minus 1. So the first thing let's do is just rewrite this, set the inverse secant of x to y. Therefore, secant of y equals x. And that's with our restrictions for y from 0 to pi over 2 or pi and to 3 pi divided by 2. So we want it to be positive. All right, given that, we have, we're going to differentiate implicitly, so the derivative of secant of y is secant y tan of y times derivative of y with respect to x, and the derivative of x is just 1, and that's basically derivative of x divided by derivative of x, or derivative of x with respect to x. So basically this just equals 1. Now let's solve for dy dx, which equals 1 divided by secant of y tan of y. Now we want everything in terms of y. So basically we have everything in terms of secant of y, sorry. So basically we have a secant here, and we have a tan here. So I know that tan, and I'm going to write in y, equals secant squared of y minus 1, if I rewrite this. And then I had to put the square root here, because I'm not doing tan squared, I'm doing just tan. So this is going to simplify to 1 divided by secant of y times the square root of secant squared of y minus 1. Now I have everything in terms of secant of y. So this is going to equal 1 divided by, we have secant of y equals x, and then secant squared is just going to be you square both sides. So that's going to be x squared minus 1. So let me write that again. So this is going to be equal to 1 divided by x times the square root of x squared minus 1. This 2 didn't show up very well. All right. And we did our proof. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.